Hello everyone and welcome to day 4 of the launch week of MakeForms. I am Pratik, founder of MakeForms, and today we are going to take a look at this new amazing feature that we have launched at MakeForms. So this feature is about assigning the values to your radio and your checkboxes. So if you remember and if you have gone through our Form Guru series, you know that I have in the past built a agency quotation form wherein you can select the options that you want your user to select, and then it creates a quote for your user. So that is something that we were building, and at that time, based on the options that your user selects, you have to write lots of logics and everything. So creating a quote in MakeForms was quite complicated, so we thought that we should simplify that. And for that, what we have done now is that whenever you add a checkbox or a radio button, you can actually assign value to each and every option. So what we are going to do now is we are going to create a quick quote builder for an agency who is selling web design services and social media marketing services. So the first thing that we will do is that we will add a radio box. So here we will say how big is your website, okay? And now if you see at the right hand side, we have something called as label. So let's say I say 5 page, which is for $2,000. Then we say 10 pages, which is for $3,000, and then 15 pages for $4,000. Okay, now if you see right now, the label and the value is the same, but what we actually want to do is that whenever the user selects one of the option, let's say if they select 5 pages, the value assigned to this particular radio should be $2,000. So we are going to change that in our value field. So here we have 2,000, 3,000 and 4,000. Now with the checkboxes, let's say we want to give the user an option to select the social media services that we offer, for example, from Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing and LinkedIn marketing. So what we will do is that we will add a checkbox value. Here we will say select all the social media services you require. And here let's say we have an option for Facebook, which is for 500, Instagram, which is again for 500, and then we provide LinkedIn outreach, which is for $800. Now what will happen is that when the user keeps on checking each and every option, so for example they have selected Facebook and Instagram, the combined value for this particular checkbox will be $1,000. If they select all, it will be $1,800. So now what we will do is that we will select a number field, okay, or else let's not do that. Let's create a calculated field, and here we would say total. And what we will do now is that we will add the website cost plus we will add the social media services cost. So now we will publish this form, and we will see this in real time as to how this actually calculates on the fly. So here we have selected 10 pages, it's at 3,000. If we select 15 pages, it would be 4,000. 5 pages, 2,000. If we add Facebook, it's 500 additional. It's Instagram another 500, LinkedIn another 800, and then you can just deselect the one which you don't want. And this way you can literally build a code builder now without writing a single line of logical conditions. So this is what we wanted to do. We wanted to improve your experience with calculations and checkboxes, and so we have launched this feature. This feature is live on MakeForms, so go ahead and start checking this feature out right now. This is Pratik here from MakeForms, and tomorrow we are going to see one more amazing feature. So stay tuned for our launch week. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.